Okay, so there's a skill point we can get at this part.
Really?
Yeah. For like, what it is for the rest of the game, you use nothing but the wrench.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Huh.
And what the worst part is,
Huh.
all the enemies are those skilled, trained mercenaries with the jetpacks and the long-range guns.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't know about that.
That's what Zach told me that it is.
So, I forgot, what do skill points do again?
Unlocks cheat codes.
Oh, yeah, that's right. And we found one, and that's when I fought those stupid little abominable snowmen, right?
Yeah. Yep, there they are. Well, so much for that skill point.
Yep. Pterodactyls again? I don't know what the frog is. A different type of frog.
Sucks to be that guy.
Yes.
You figure they would like be doing something about the frogs?
Yeah.
I guess they don't necessarily have to since they got infinite fuel jetpacks.
Mm-hmm. And infinite fuel.
And a tank.
That's nice. Wee.
Hi.
Tank time. Wee.
Remember when we flew right through it? And that
Yeah. And I was like, what? And, oh, yeah, use that boomerang wrench.
How did we get past the tank with just the wrench?
I don't know. Can you kill it with a wrench? Let's see. And tank time. You'll tank us later. Have you ever seen that discount double check commercial?
No.
Oh, that's
But discount double check?
You know what that is, right?
Actually, I don't.
With Aaron Rodgers, quarterback. Well, I mean, it's a State Farm commercial,
Oh, okay.
and Aaron Rodgers does the discount double check, but it's actually, that's really his touchdown thing. That's what he does.
Oh.
It's his signature touchdown.
Oh my.
move. So like, ended up calling it a discount double check. He's like, but that's my move. So it just kind of came. That.
Okay, so these have to be like this.
That's easy. How come that one was insane?
I don't know.
Wasn't it an optional path one? That could have been why.
Even then,
What do we spend our bolts on now?
Weapons?
Should we like try and get full gear?
No.
Why?
You know how long it's gonna take with the Rhino?
Oh yeah, I forgot. What is that gun doing?
Apparently it shoots off like a bunch of missiles and they're all Seeking.
Oh really?
Yeah.
How much does it cost?
100,000.
Oh, never mind.
Oh my god, we need
water
the...
gun.
Yeah.
I bet you're gonna have to use all the main weapon guns in here.
At least this is a checkpoint.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
You need a fuzzball.
I like him and the president are the only one of their race we've seen.
Mm-hmm. And it looks like he had his butt smashed something.
Yeah. I guess we could get rid of the suck cannon.
Okay.
At least for now. Then I have to climb all the way back up and probably put in all the water again.
Of course, that's how it works. Looks like it's me. Maybe you gotta go so far and then go all the way back. That'd be nice, yeah. What are those? Those are seeker bots? Oh, it's... I thought it was a ship. I didn't realize it was a lake. For some reason I thought they were little mini ships.
Gonna get you.
He's like, oh no!
What am I going to do with a slow-moving tank that's very vulnerable to everything that outranges me? Why do we have this?
I don't get why our army is even considered formidable. When a single-handed wombat...
Whoops, wrong gun.
It worked at least.
I was gonna have to grind too.
I'm pretty sure it can be considered as well, just for the radius of their explosion.
True.
I mean, cause really, it's a full body shot. But you only hit me in the toe. Yeah, but you see...
It was an explosion.
So we get that. It's called a full body shot. Instead of a 360 no scope, it's a 360 full body shot.
I already used 2 Devastators on it, so I'm just gonna kill it.
Whee!
Jesus, these frogs are everywhere. Aren't they? You know, this grab radius would have been nice for the whole game.
The what?
The bolt grabbing radius.
Yeah. How come your little aimer's always there? Half the time I use my aim, the aimer wasn't there.
I don't know. It may have been because of how you were aiming.
What's the difference?
It likes me better.
Yes.
Given like how the levels you've been getting compared to how I've been treated by my levels, with ample checkpoints and you're getting like completely screwed over.
Yes.
Okay, there's one more guy.
There it is. Yeah. You're my elite guard. Okay. Oh, I didn't see that over there. Yeah, dead.
You just gotta think of how much damage that apparently does.
Yeah. Here's a bomb.
You know what's gonna suck?
What?
We get to the boss, and we don't... And one of the weapons we need, we don't have yet.
Oh, yeah.
Like, it makes us require the Rhino.
That would suck.
Funny thing is that once we beat the game, we actually get a perk for going commando.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, for the game going commando?
Yeah.
Oh, so does this have port forwarding type of thing then?
Yeah.
Oh. I like it when games do that. Because to me it makes it like, oh, you're you beat
A fan?
up. Yeah, you're a fan. We're gonna, and it doesn't ever have to be anything like significant that makes the second game just easy for you. But maybe something you start out with a little more money, or you might get a weapon to start out with that you can get later, but you start out with it.
Oh god!
Yeah, expecting them now, really?
And you were?
Yes.
That close?
Yes. I expect everything.
Then you suck at stealth. For someone who expects everything, you sure suck at going into a base.
I did very
Beep bop boop. And more of them.
No. Yeah. And that's what you
What?
get, apparently. And you're all the way back here. Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
You'll need to use this method.
Special feature deck foundation factor.
You can find one at Bob's Robo Shop just around the corner.
That was supposed to be for when we had to do the thruster pack thing.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, whoops, wrong one. Oh well.
Was it really a waste, I guess?
And they're still so nonchalant about the missile that just went past and destroyed their heaviest vehicle.
Yeah. Look how
What?
nice.
Tank, gone. Guy right next to him, dead. Often failed shot, everyone's alerted.
Yes. We need to go to the bad guys. So we're on the death pit.
Yeah, this should be the last one, I would think.
So I want to know why there's a pit of random lava. If they have constructed this.
I know. Especially a very deep pit of lava.
Yeah.
And I guess since they have jetpacks, they would have enough time to react and start flying again.
Like, I just when there's like, oh, we're constructing this thing. Oh, this is here. Oh, well, we're just.
Well, apparently it served them well.
They knew that you would walk nonchalantly. Keep leveling it up.
Damn it, the Devastator is serving us well.
Yes.
I would say this is really making us use everything in our arsenal, but it really isn't. Just think actually doing this with just the wrench.
That would be hard. For one skill point.
Yeah. Especially with those gunships too.
Mm-hmm. And here we go.
Wrong one. Okay, at least I don't have to re-trespass again.
I just can't believe there wasn't a checkpoint for some.
I don't know, this is quite the distance.
And now you fight the boss or whatever until you lose to him, and you go all the way back.
Even you would say that's bullshit.
Yes, it would. There, but don't forget, don't walk into the lava. Bad.
The lava pit that barely is distinguishable as a pit
Yep.
from the camera view.
Oh, does that thing keep spawning them?
Quite possibly.
And you can use the PDA to brand.
And that's probably what I'm gonna do.
I got some great bargains for you
I
today.
wish there was like upgrades to buy more
Ammo?
Yeah, to hold more ammo or whatever.
Also solved in the next game.
Pretty much everything
That you complain about.
is okay. These are valid points. Let's make something in the next game.
And at least they listened. I guess.
They listened to me only from
Several years later.
Yes, even though they made the game before. Hey, you got that water cell? Of course. Uh-oh. Visibon. Or Visibon.
That's a lot of guys.
How would you Ratchet me?
Oh wait, there's a path right here.
Nice. Maybe we gotta, maybe we like, can you get can you get in there, or do you gotta, is there water? Might be able to grab it.
Nope. There it is.
Hidden over here. And then you go in there and insta-death the trap.
Grandfathered in. Being grandfathered in is awesome.
No, it's not awesome. It's stupid.